So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn that how to create soft links and hard links for a particular script, or you can say for anything or any kind of files. Okay, so soft links and hard links, these are two kinds of uh, commands in the Linux machines by which we can create a shortcut to execute or to get the information from the another directories or path location. So in this we can use ln as a link. Okay, so ln, and if you attach that ln with a hyphen s, so it will become soft link, and if you just mention ln, so it will become hard link. So in this way we can use the soft links and hard links in the Linux machines. So first of all, let me show you that what are the ways to use the hard link and soft link. So first we will see about the soft link. Okay, so we need to mention ln means link, then hyphen s which will use to create soft links. Then now here we need to mention path to source. Okay, so this is path to source. So the path, for example, if you want to get if you want to create a shortcut or file that will direct you to this source, okay, then the path to link. Okay, so here you need to mention the name of the link, name of the soft link. Okay, or we can say that name of the soft link. Okay, so in this way we will going to use to create the soft links. Okay, so ln hyphen s, then path to source. So this means the file or the command which is present in another location. Okay, so which is mainly your source file. Okay, so for that source file you want to create a soft link. So here in this way we can create it. So let me show you that we want to create a soft link for this df space dot sh file. Okay, script, this is shell script, and we want to create a soft link for this. Okay, so let me show you that where we are right now. So we are in the home slash oracle. Okay, so we are in the home directory of the oracle user. So now we will go inside the download location. Okay, downloads, right? So let me show you that pwd. Okay, so we are current in the download location. So right here I will create a soft link for the df space dot sh script. Okay, so here we need to mention the location of the source file. Okay, so here we are mentioning the location of our source file. Okay, which is df space dot sh script. Now here we need to mention the location for the soft link. Okay, so we want to create the soft link inside home oracle downloads, and then we will name it as soft link. Okay, 1 dot sh, or you can create simply the soft link. Okay, yeah. So right now let me show you that. So here we have created our soft link. Okay, so you can see that soft link 1 is directed to the source file. Okay, which is our df-sh. Okay, so in this way we can create a soft link for this. So it will become a shortcut for this df space dot sh script. So you can also execute it, and it will give you the same result of the source file. Okay, so it is giving, so here we have executed the soft link and it gives us the same output as of our original link. Okay, so in this way we can create a soft link. So let's clear it again. Now if you want to create an hard link, so you can mention the same space dot sh. Now home oracle, then downloads here hard link. Okay, 1, let again me. Okay, so you can see here it hard link. Okay, so hard link is mainly a total backup of the soft link. Okay, so you can also get it hard link 1. So it will contain the original source code of the source file. Okay, but in the place of soft link it also contain the same, but you can see that the space difference, or you can see the size difference between soft link and hard link. So hard link will contain the inode number also, so it will be a backup file, backup copy of the source file. Okay, whereas the soft link is not a backup copy of the source file. So in this way we can do it. Okay, so we have created the hard link using this ln, then the source file location, then the target file location, okay, where our hard link is located. So in this way we can create soft link and hard link. Also you can execute the hard link one. Okay, this also give the same result as of the soft link, but it will having the. So let me show you one more thing, that the hard link is a backup copy of the source file, whereas the oracle downloads then hard link one. Okay, hard link. Okay, so you can see that this is the same copy of the source file, whereas the soft link is not an actual backup copy of the hard link. Okay, okay, so you can see here, so you can see the main difference between the original file. Okay, this is our original file, and this one is our hard link, and this one is our soft link. So you can clearly see that hard link is the original backup copy of the source file, whereas the soft link is a soft copy of the original file. So here in the, you can see that L means link. Okay, so whereas in the hard link it does not contain any type of L. Okay, so now we will going to check that if we delete the source file. Okay, if we delete the source file, whether these links will execute or not. Okay, so let me go in the oracle home directory. Okay, so this is our original script. Okay, so now let's remove it and see whether our software link and hard link will work after deletion of the file. Okay, so we have deleted the original source file. Okay, now go inside the location. So you can see that there is a red background mark has been obtained. Okay, so let's see that whether the soft link will work or not. I don't think so it will work. So you can see that it won't working, it is not working right now after the deletion of this source file. Okay, so now let's see that whether the hard link will work or not. So you can see that hard link is working even after deletion of the source file. So you can clearly see that after deleting of the source file, the soft link is not working. So it solely depend on the source file. Okay, the soft link is mainly dependent to the source file. If the source file is present, it will work. If the source file is deleted, it won't work. Whereas in the case of hard link, the hard link is independent of whether the source file is present or even it's get deleted. So hard link is a better choice. So you can see that hard link is an individual file which is a backup copy of the source file. Even after deletion of the source file, we can execute the hard link, but whereas the soft link gets unusable after the deletion of the source file. So in this way we can use soft link and hard link. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.